Are you looking for the best electric fillet knife for fish? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 3 electric fillet knife for fish, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. VLOXO Electric Fillet Knife for Fish. Cordless electric fish fillet knife with 5T nitride SS-coated blades, non-slip grip handle, safety lock, portable carry case, rechargeable for fishing, filleting. Recommended uses for product: fishing. Brand: VLOXO. Model name: RTI EK24. Special feature: adjustable, lightweight, non-slip, replaceable blades, serrated blade. Included components: no. Handle material: plastic. Blade material: high-carbon stainless steel. High-power cutting, efficiency cutting. VLOXO electric fillet knife features a powerful built-in motor, enabling fast, smooth, and clean slicing of both fresh fish and meat, boosting your kitchen efficiency and providing a quick and easy cutting experience. Note: after 15 minutes of continuous use, please rest for 2 minutes to prevent the motor from overheating and damaging the machine. Ergonomically designed. Ours electric fillet knife for fish is made for comfort, featuring a lightweight contoured handle, minimizes wrist strain and hand fatigue, an ideal feature for extended use or for users with arthritis. 5 replaceable blades. This electric fillet knife comes with 5 different sizes of replaceable blades: 5.5 inches, 8 inches, 8 shark inches, 10 inches, 10 shark inches. From delicate filleting to tough deboning, each blade retains exceptional sharpness, hardness, and corrosion resistance.
Number 3. FLISSA Cordless Electric Fillet Knife for fish with 8-inch and 10-inch stainless steel blades, 12-volt rechargeable electric knife with non-slip handle, 2 packs long-lasting lithium-ion battery, portable carry case. Recommended uses for product: fishing. Brand: FLISSA. Model name: fishing-fillet-bait-knives. Special feature: cordless. Age range description: adult. Included components: fillet knife. Handle material: PA6 plus TPE. Blade material: stainless steel. Enjoy fatigue-free filleting with FLISSA electric fish fillet knife. Its soft ergonomic handle and added trigger guard ensure a firm, non-slip grip for precise control and safety during fish filleting. Potent high-speed and torque motor delivers efficient performance for quick, smooth, and effortless filleting. Cordless and lightweight design brings you an enhanced maneuverability. Blades are made of superior corrosion-resistant stainless steel and can be easily changed, with the just right stiffness and flexibility, providing great versatility for different fish size or species. Equipped with 2 replaceable 2.0 AA lithium-ion battery packs, offering extended battery life without waiting for recharging. Besides, LED battery indicator ensures you always have a functioning knife. Comes with a custom-molded hard-shell carrying case for convenient storage and transport. The case is designed to hold the cordless electric knife, removable blades, and accessories securely. Number 2. WORKPRO 12-volt cordless electric fillet knife with 8-inch and 10-inch razor-sharp blades, non-slip grip handle, safety lock, 2 rechargeable batteries, quick battery charger, and carry case for fishing and filleting. Recommended uses for product: fishing and filleting. Brand: WORKPRO. Special feature: lightweight. Age range description: adult. Included components: battery. Handle material: metal. Color: black. Blade material: stainless steel. Style: compact. Lightweight and ergonomic design. The WORKPRO electric fish knife is designed to be lightweight, making it easy to use for cutting fish, weighing only 1 pound, excluding blades and batteries. This electric fish knife features a rubber-coated handle that provides a comfortable grip. Plus, it comes with 2 replaceable razor plates, 2 removable battery packs, and a heavy-duty storage case for easy transport and storage. Long-lasting and quick-charging batteries. The fish fillet knife set comes with 2 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery packs that can be easily and swiftly charged using the included WORKPRO 12-volt fast charger, completing a full charge within just 1 hour. Each battery provides up to 1 hour of usage and can be fast charged in just 1 hour. With the inclusion of 2 batteries, uninterrupted operation is practically guaranteed. Each battery pack contains 3 3.7-volt 18650 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, thereby optimizing efficiency during fish filleting tasks and saving precious time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.